Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Students, I am your teacher Aayesha from Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. We start with the message of the day. The message is say good words because it is also charity to utter good words. Today our lesson is from subject Mathematics, class 1. Here are some objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to learn about number 1, subtraction in vertical form, number 2, subtraction in horizontal form. Students, do you know what does this sign represent? Actually, this is minus sign. You know the plus sign which is used for addition. ये प्लस साइन है जिसे हम एडिशन के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इसी तरह हम माइनस जो है साइन वो हम किसी भी चीज़ को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. किसी भी वैल्यू में से कुछ डिजिट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना हो तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? माइनस साइन यूज़ करेंगे. एडिशन के लिए हम प्लस साइन यूज़ करते हैं, जबकि सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए हम माइनस साइन यूज़ करते हैं. So our topic name is subtraction. Minus sign is used in subtraction. Minus sign is used in subtraction. Here we have 5 apples. 1 2 3 4 5. अब देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने एप्पल्स हैं? 5 एप्पल्स. If I add 3 apples, अगर मैं ये 3 एप्पल खा लेती हूँ तो आपने बताना है कि 5 में से अगर 3 एप्पल को खा लिया जाए तो पीछे कितने बचेंगे. How many apples are left behind? Let's count. 1 2. कितने एप्पल्स बचेंगे पीछे? 1 2. यानी 5 एप्पल्स आपके पास थे, उसमें से 3 एप्पल आप खा चुके और उसके बाद आपके पास 5 में से अगर 3 एप्पल्स को आप माइनस कर देते हैं तो आपके पास कितने एप्पल्स बचेंगे? 2 apples. Here we have another example. Here we have 5 apples again. 1 2 3 4 5. If you add 1 apple from 5 apples, then how many apples left behind? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5. इसमें से 1 एप्पल जो है आप खा चुके हैं, तो आपके पास कितने एप्पल्स पीछे बचेंगे? 1 2 3 and 4. सो इसको हम इस तरह लिखेंगे. वी कैन राइट दिस 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. First of all, we will discuss subtraction in horizontal form. Subtraction in horizontal form. When numbers are in laying position, it is known as horizontal form. When numbers are in laying position, it is known as horizontal form. Here are some examples of the subtraction in horizontal form. 7 minus 5. 7 में से 5 को subtract करेंगे तो आपके पास 2 बचेगा. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 8 minus 1, 8 में से 1 को माइनस करें, the answer is 7. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. These are all examples of horizontal subtraction. These are all examples of horizontal subtraction. Now we will discuss subtraction in vertical form. Subtraction in vertical form. When numbers are in standing position, it is known as vertical form. When numbers are in standing position, देखें ऐसे 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. It is known as vertical form. Here are some examples. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Here we draw 10 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we cut 2 lines from these 10 lines, we have 8 lines left behind. So answer is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Example number 2. It is also a vertical subtraction. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here we draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we want to subtract 2 lines, so we cut 2 lines, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 1, 2. 2 lines are left behind and our answer is 2. Now here is recapitulation. Here we have revised the subtraction. Here are some examples. Now we have 2 pencils, 1, 2, 2 pencils and minus 1 pencil. So how many left behind? 1 pencil. Here we have 5 pencils, minus 2 pencils. How many are left? 1, 2, 3 pencils. And 7 pencils minus 3 pencils. How many pencils are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are 9 pencils minus 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pencils. This is all about subtraction, which is horizontal subtraction and the vertical subtraction. At the end I have an easy assignment for you. ये देखें, ये आपके पास एक वर्कशीट है, इस पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिखे जिसके आंसर्स मैंने मेंशन नहीं किए. बच्चों, write these questions on your notebook and try to solve these. You can write these questions in a vertical form also. I hope you can do this. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.